Welcome to another Booking Koala tutorial. If you don't have Booking Koala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about Booking Koala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with Booking Koala.
Today I'm going to show you how to set up recurring cleans in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your settings. Click on Industries. Then select Home Cleaning. From there, go to Form that you want to modify. Choose Frequencies. So select an existing frequency. Click the options and edit the frequency. Scroll down and then select the Exclude First Booking and Charges as one time in the frequency discount. Now click the Next button and then after that click Save. So, as you can see, the recurring cleans has now appeared in the booking summary. And that's it. You've successfully set up your recurring cleans. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. That's all, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.